Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain your girl Nello. So in this vlog, we'll be looking at the healing power of nature. Yes, the doctors and the physicians, they treat, but then nature heals. Nature is the best physician. Hello YouTube angels, welcome back. So during my intro video on YouTube, I mentioned health among others as a type of content I'll be showcasing on my channel. When I said that in the video, I did not mean giving out medication prescription or suggesting one. Of course, I'm not a medical doctor and the likes. This type of content was what I had in mind for your viewing, your listening, and your relaxing pleasure. Hello, welcome back again. At this point, I'll be sharing with us some of the health benefits of being with nature. And number one on my list is cognitive health. As we all know, cognitive health has to do with the ability to think, to learn, to remember, and to make decisions clearly. And research has shown that taking a break in nature helps to improve focus and creativity. It also sharpens our mental clarity, which inspires new ideas. Why not make nature your therapy? Hello, welcome back again. So, I'm here to remind us that nature is like God's reset button for our minds, our souls, and our spirits. In fact, to walk in nature is to witness 1,000 miracles. And I'm also reminding us that our minds deserve the same care as our body. Hello. Another health benefit of being in nature is mindfulness. And mindfulness involves a mental practice of focusing on the present moment by paying attention to your thoughts, your feelings, and your physical sensation without judgment. You deserve a mindful moment. Come back to yourself, one breath at a time. Silence is more than golden, it's recovery for the brain. Return to yourself and allow nature's peace to flow into you. Sometimes it's not all about burning calories, but about giving your mind and your soul space to breathe again. I'm here to let you know that it's okay to do less, even when you're dealing with more. Try and make nature your therapy.